Okay, welcome back to our discussion on social choice theory. In the previous video, we scrutinized the plurality method under several fairness conditions. In this video, we will describe some characteristics of the plurality method. Okay, voting systems which makes use of plurality method include barangay, local, and national elections in the Philippines, including the presidential elections. However, in the case of the Philippines, the voters do not rank the candidates, but rather just choose their first choice. Now, some faults of the plurality method is that it is vulnerable to strategic voting. The idea in strategic voting is if a voter knows that a certain candidate that he likes has little chances of winning, then that voter has the tendency to switch to a candidate that is more likely to win. To illustrate this, suppose that the candidates are A, B, and C. Suppose that a voter actually prefers candidate C. However, seeing that candidate C is not likely to win, this voter switches to another candidate that is more likely to win. So we see that in this scenario, the plurality method does not really reflect the opinion or the choices of the voters. And in fact, it is very vulnerable to strategic voting. This ends part 3 of the video. In the next part of the video, we will discuss several voting methods, but we will no longer scrutinize these voting methods under the different fairness conditions.